Hello everyone, and welcome to my comprehensive guide on how to make money with blogging. In this video, I'll be discussing a variety of popular methods that bloggers can utilize to monetize their blogs. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced blogger looking to diversify your income streams, I hope you find this video valuable and informative. Advertisements. One of the most traditional and popular ways to make money from a blog is through advertisements. By signing up for an advertising network such as Google AdSense, you can have targeted ads displayed on your blog. You earn money every time a visitor clicks on one of these ads. The key to success with advertising is to ensure that the ads are relevant to your audience and don't disrupt the user experience on your blog. Balancing the placement and frequency of ads is crucial to maintaining a positive user experience while maximizing your earnings. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another highly effective method to generate income from your blog. With affiliate marketing, you promote products or services from other companies on your blog. When a reader clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's essential to choose affiliate programs and products that align with your blog's niche and audience's interests. By providing genuine and valuable recommendations, you can build trust with your audience and increase the likelihood of conversions. There are numerous affiliate networks and programs available, such as Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Commission Junction, offering a wide range of products and commission structures to suit various niches. Selling products or services. If you have a product or service that you believe would be valuable to your audience, selling it directly from your blog can be a lucrative monetization strategy. This could include digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or even physical products related to your niche. Creating high-quality and relevant products is key to attracting buyers and building a loyal customer base. Additionally, offering additional benefits such as exclusive content or personalized support can further incentivize your audience to make a purchase. Platforms like WooCommerce, Shopify, or Gumroad can facilitate the process of setting up an online store and handling transactions securely. Selling advertising space. Once your blog has gained significant traffic and a loyal audience, you can consider selling advertising space directly to businesses. This involves partnering with brands and allowing them to display their advertisements on your blog. Selling advertising space directly can be more profitable than using advertising networks, as you have more control over pricing and the type of ads displayed. To attract advertisers, it's crucial to create a media kit showcasing your blog's statistics, demographics, and engagement metrics. This will help businesses assess the value of advertising on your blog. Building relationships with brands and reaching out to potential advertisers can also be beneficial in securing long-term partnerships. Selling sponsorships. Similar to selling advertising space, you can also sell sponsorships to businesses. Sponsorships involve more than just displaying ads and can include various forms of collaboration, such as featuring a company logo on your blog, writing sponsored posts, or creating sponsored content like videos or social media campaigns. To attract sponsors, it's essential to establish your credibility and authority within your niche. Providing valuable and engaging content consistently can help demonstrate your influence to potential sponsors. It's also important to ensure that sponsored content aligns with your blog's values and audience's interests. Transparency is key when disclosing sponsored partnerships to maintain the trust of your readers. Which method is right for you? Determining the best monetization method for your blog depends on factors such as your blog's niche, audience size, engagement, and your own preferences and goals. If you're just starting out, focusing on advertisements and affiliate marketing can be a good starting point. As your blog grows, you can explore selling products or services, selling advertising space, or offering sponsorships. Experimenting with different methods and analyzing the results will help you identify the most effective monetization strategies for your specific blog. Tips for making money with blogging. Choose a niche. Selecting a specific niche for your blog allows you to target a more focused audience and cater to their needs and interests. Create high-quality content. Providing valuable and well-crafted content is crucial for attracting and retaining readers. This helps establish your authority and build trust with your audience. Promote your blog. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, email marketing, and guest blogging to increase visibility and attract more visitors to your blog. Engage with your audience. Foster a strong relationship with your audience by responding to comments, encouraging discussion, and addressing their concerns. Engaged readers are more likely to support your monetization efforts. Be patient and persistent. Building a successful blog and generating income takes time and consistent effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay committed, continue learning, and adapt your strategies as needed. Making money with blogging is an achievable goal, but it requires dedication, strategy, and perseverance. By implementing effective monetization methods, delivering high-quality content, and nurturing your audience, you can transform your blog into a profitable venture. Remember to remain patient, learn from your experiences, and adapt your approach as you progress on your blogging journey. I hope you found this comprehensive guide on how to make money with blogging helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content on blogging and online entrepreneurship. And don't forget to check out my other videos for additional tips and insights. Thank you for watching.